Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I will give you a very stylish, easy and delicious dinner recipe. 1 teaspoon granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. 1/3 cup warm water 70 grams. 1/3 cup warm milk 70 grams. 1/3 cup vegetable oil 70 grams. Mix well until sugar and yeast dissolve. It was good to mix it with a snowman spoon on hot summer days. For newcomers, my name is Tugba, I live in Turkey. Where are you watching me from? Separate 1 egg white to rub the yolk on it. Two cups plus 1 heaping tablespoon of flour 300 grams and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add flour and mix with spatula. Mixing it with a spoon first will make it easier to knead dough. How is your mode hungry? I knead well. I love watching food videos when I'm hungry, don't you? I'll wait 45 minutes for the dough to ferment. I cover it and leave it in a warm environment. 1 onion. I'm slicing the onion. What should we do to prevent our eyes from burning while chopping onions? I would be very happy if you write in the comments. Put the pan on fire. 1 tablespoon butter. Roast the onions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support. 2 green peppers and 1 red pepper. I chop the peppers with their seeds. Have you heard that pepper seeds have a number of benefits for the body? Pepper seeds support the formation of white blood cells in the body. If you know anything about it, please share it with me. I cut the red pepper the same way. I wonder if this is your first time seeing my channel. We are a huge, delicious virtual taste family with 1.7 million subscriptions. I roast the peppers with the onions. It will be a very stylish dinner recipe. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I chop the garlic large. It is a great pleasure to read your comments. Please increase my motivation by writing a comment. We also roast the garlic. I show everything in detail in the video. 500 grams chicken breast. I cut the chicken breast into cubes. The board where I chop the chicken breast is different. I don't use the board where I chop the vegetables. Add the chicken breast to the roasted vegetables. Mix well. I add spices, red pepper powder, chili flakes, thyme, cumin, and black pepper. Mix well. To tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well again. That's enough roasting. The dough fermented very well. Remove the dough thoroughly. Use some flour. I made a heart for you. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Turn the dough pieces into balls. Cover the dough and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. I spread the dough balls the size of my palms. That's enough. I would be very happy if those who watched the video so far write a comment for me, albeit a small one. Cool the baking paper into one baking tray. Place 6 soup bowls on it. Grease the soup bowls. Thank you very much for your likes, comments, and channel subscription. Place the dough on the bowls. Tell me your opinion about this method in the comments. It was an incredibly delicious meal. I'm definitely not exaggerating. You will want to make this meal again and again. Mix 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and egg yolk. Apply carefully all over the dough. Sprinkling some sesame. I used roasted sesame. Bake in the oven heated to 185°C 365 F until golden brown. I take it out of the bowls after it cools a little. The bowls are still hot. Line is helping me. I place cheddar cheese in bowls of bread. It looks really delicious even in this state. Divide the chicken sauce we prepared from bread to bowls. Add grated mozzarella cheese. Cook again until the cheese melts and blushes. And the delicious dinner is ready. I am very curious about your comments on this recipe. I'm tasting it for you. It's incredibly delicious. I will also taste your bread. Great crunchy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.